Okay, we have Splash Out here from the Loaded for Fun assortment pack. Anyways, it's a fountain. Obviously, it says emits showers of spark, performance, emits showers of colors and color stars, then crackles. Then here is the official California Safe and Sane seal from the California State Marshal, Fire Marshal. Splash Out by Boomer. Nothing special here. Typical stuff. Anyway, yeah. Let's go outside. This is a light fountain. So, yeah, you can see here a little bit in the imprint that it's a small tube. Anyway, see you guys outside. All right, we're gonna try Splash Out from Boomer. Okay, let's go give this a try. Supposedly just a fountain with crackle. It's like a single tube in here. Probably a whistles tube, maybe, who knows. Anyway, let's give it a try. Wow. Not bad. Not bad at all. For a small fountain. Okay. See you guys later. Have a great evening.